What's cracking, YouTube? This is Champ Rocky Gamer here. Today we have Friday the 13th, the game, Ultimate Slasher Edition. It also includes all the DLC, and it'll be in TV mode. Yeah. But first, I gotta unbox it, so stay tuned. Alright, YouTube, we have Friday the 13th, the game, plus the DLC, Ultimate Edition poster, exclusive for the Nintendo Switch, which has like, we have the clothing in here, costume packs, emote pack. Welcome to Camp Crystal Lake. And this game is pretty much going to be Jason versus the counselors. It's just one player, specifically for the Switch, but you can play online with other people. It's rated M for mature. Check out all that. Let's crack this open. Got my scissors here. This game was released on other consoles, probably about May 2017. Came out for the Switch August the 13th, 2019. Let's check out this poster. And there we go. I hope you guys can see that. Now back to the unboxing. See that there. Here's what the cartridge looks like. And I'm gonna be honest with you. All I've been playing lately, is DC Universe Online and Marvel Universe Ultimate Alliance. Let's see if this game has any updates. Yep, it does. And I'm gonna download it. And I'll get back with you on the TV mode. Alright, I'm back again with some commentary. And now we're starting Friday the 13th. Alright, so as you can see, I had Yu-Gi-Oh! In the background. I'm actually working on another video, so you'll see that pretty soon. And so here are the companies that pretty much went into Friday the 13th game for the Switch or for any console. I've actually played this on Xbox One. I really didn't necessarily like the gameplay on Xbox One, but I mean, to each his own. So here we are with Friday the 13th game. You got all your regular options that you would see on any system. So I'm gonna go to quick play. Well, offline play. And as you can see, they have different skins for Jason Voorhees. And you can unlock them by doing certain things. Let's see, I'm gonna use 7 counselors and put the difficulty on normal. The loading screens was a little long, but I guess not too bad. Yeah, let's go get them.
Jason. Make them pay for what they did to us.
Haven't watched the TV, the movie, but I guess this is his house. He has all his little stuff, or I believe it's where his mom died. So I actually edited this a little bit, and it actually took me a little bit to find the people. So I'm gonna try to skip through a little bit of this in a minute. And there we go. Just chase him down, Jason.
Someone help!
These people can be a little bit of a pain to try to capture. There. Yeah.
Don't stop, Jason. They deserve
Got our
to
first
die.
kill.
Make them suffer like we did.
And you see those people like driving off in the car. Like, come on, man. Don't leave me. Jason has a lot of abilities that you can use in the game, and one of them is where you can track down people with the little heat sensors or whatever it is. You know, he can also swim through water real quick, and you'll see it right here. And he can also move like that with another one of his abilities, but it only lasts for like a few seconds. So
They deserve to die, Jason. Make them suffer.
So the visuals on the Switch are a little bit dumbed down, I guess, for the quality, or for you to be able to play it, you know, smoothly. And it actually does run pretty smooth on the Switch. Of course, just like with their other game systems, there are a little bit of moments to where you can see the people kind of run into the wall or whatever, but I guess that's just the AI of the game. Of course, it'll be a lot better if you're playing online. And, you know, of course, the more people buy the game, the more fun it'll be. You can also sneak up behind people and do certain moves, but I did not know what I was doing here.
Don't stop, Jason. They deserve to die.
There's like 4
Make
people
them
in the car
suffer
over
like
there.
we did.
Oh yeah, I see you. Come on out. And then they're just gonna drive away. Look at that. How awful. How disrespectful can you be? Ooh. Lit him up with that knife though. You see how I'm trying to hit them and they're just running away.
They deserve to die, Jason. Make them suffer.
So I'll let you watch a little bit of this gameplay of me tracking them down. and then I'll be back with you at the end.
Jason, my boy, do you know what your gift is? No matter what they do to you, you cannot die. You can never die. They deserve to die, Jason. Make them suffer.
Oh, God! No! No!
That's my Jason. That's my special, special boy.
Help! Oh God!
They want to take you from me, Jason. Don't let them.
Oh, God! Please, no!
That's my boy. Hunt them down and make them pay.
Mm. 7 of 8. I guess that's not too bad, but when you're just one
You've
shy,
done your job well,
man.
and Mommy is pleased. Come home, sweetie.
So I got a little bit of experience off of that. Level 3 now. Alright, so that'll be wrapping it up for this video. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back in the next one. Peace.